Hi everyone, my name is Paige with Sudsy Soapworks, and today I'm going to talk about where I buy all of my soap making and skincare making oils. So when I first started out, I had no idea where to buy any of my supplies, and I really wish there was a video out when I first started. So I am here to help all of you guys find out where to save money and start soap making, and also where to buy all of your oils in bulk, because now I'm buying in bulk, so I had no idea where I should buy my stuff in bulk. But we are going to go through where I bought my oils starting out and then where I bought my oils when I started buying in bulk. All right, so if this is something that interests you, please keep watching. So let's get into it. So the first place that I found oils was Sam's Club. I found that Sam's Club is the cheapest place still to this day and most convenient for me to buy olive oil and avocado oil. It's really nice because it is so close and I can go get it whenever I need it. But another place you can look to buy any oils is like Walmart, Target, any of your local grocery stores. You can find coconut oil, canola oil, avocado oil, sunflower oil. You can find a ton of oils at your local grocery store, so always make sure that you check there. But it's not always cheaper to buy locally in your grocery store. Sometimes it is cheaper to buy online. So the first place that I started buying my oils was Wholesale Supplies Plus. Wholesale Supplies Plus is a great company because they do offer free shipping on all orders over $25. And when you are making cosmetics and soap and skincare, that shipping cost can add up really quick because most of the stuff that you're buying is really heavy. The heavier the package, the more shipping it's going to be. So it is very nice that they do offer free shipping on orders over $25. Another great thing about Wholesale Supplies Plus is they have deals all the time. They always have like deals, 25% off oils, 25% off butters, just any ingredients that you may need. They have deals often, every week. So if you're on the fence about starting soap making or you're trying to find the best deal, I would wait on Wholesale Supplies. Keep checking in and see when they're having these deals because they do have deals on oils and butters very often. So this is Wholesale Supplies Plus website. Like I said, I started buying most of my oils here. I did buy olive oil and avocado oil at Sam's Club, but I also needed coconut oil and palm oil and castor oil. So I did start buying those from here. This, like I said, is great because they do offer free shipping on orders over $25. Here we go. I'll look up coconut oil first. They do offer different size options. And obviously the more that you get, the cheaper it ends up being, like per ounce or per pound. But I did start out buying only 1 pound and then I moved up to like the 8-pound option. But yeah, that's where I got my oils for starting out. So now let's talk about when I started bulk buying all my oils. When I first started bulk buying, I did not know that there were other suppliers that I could use. I thought Wholesale Supplies Plus was it. And don't get me wrong, they are a great company. Sometimes I do still buy from them, depending on when they have the sales. But there is other companies out there that you can bulk buy from that are way cheaper. So like I said, when I first started buying my oils from here, and $35.28 for an 8-pound bucket of coconut oil isn't bad. But where I now buy all of my bulk butters and oils is Blossom Bulk. Blossom Bulk is an amazing company as well. They have fast shipping, they have very fast processing times. But let's just compare coconut oil from Blossom Bulk compared to Wholesale Supplies Plus. So for a 7.5-pound pail, it is $23.23, and for an 8-pound bucket, it's $35. So it is a lot cheaper when you are buying from Blossom Bulk. Another example is argan oil. So I started using argan oil in my conditioner bars, and I'm starting to use them in shampoo bars as well. And I also use it in my formulations for face oils and body oils. And I haven't released those yet. But argan oil is insanely expensive at Wholesale Supplies Plus. For a 7-pound pail, it is $322. You get free shipping on that, but at Blossom Bulk, argan oil is more than half the price for an extra pound. So you can get an 8-pound bucket of argan oil for $124, and shipping is probably going to be like $15 to $16 on top of that. So like I said, I now buy all of my bulk ingredients from Blossom. They have all the oils I need, and I don't use palm oil anymore. I actually switched to using shea butter. I replaced that because I'm trying to go palm oil free. But shea butter I got from here too, and it's a great deal. So another company that I get my more exotic oils from, which I just started buying for my face oils that I'm formulating, I get from New Directions Aromatics. They have a large selection of oils that are still cheaper than Wholesale Supplies Plus, even though you have to pay shipping. I mean, if you only plan on getting like 1 or 2 oils, maybe Wholesale Supplies Plus would be a better deal. You want to compare those prices because Wholesale Supplies Plus does offer the free shipping. But like I said, always compare first. And anytime I buy in bulk, like I said, I usually buy from Blossom almost all the time, but I still check Wholesale Supplies Plus because they do have those sales very often, to make sure that I am not getting the better deal there instead. But like I said, I bought Evening Primrose Oil from, this is just one of the examples, from New Directions Aromatics. So I just bought a 16 ounce, which was $18.44. Let's go check and see how much that is at Wholesale Supplies Plus. And I didn't want to buy like big, like a gallon of Evening Primrose Oil because I'm still trying out and still formulating. I don't need that much. So I didn't want to buy in like a huge bulk order. So I only wanted the 16 ounce. So let's just check what that is at Wholesale Supplies Plus. Alright, it's out of stock right now, but for 1 pound it's $38.97. And at New Directions Aromatics for 1 pound, it's $18.44. So you always want to check to make sure where you're getting the better deal. Obviously right here, New Directions Aromatics is the better deal. Shipping, let's see what shipping would be. Alright, so shipping is $16.34, so $34.23, and you get free shipping at Wholesale Supplies Plus. So it still is cheaper because it's $38 for 1 pound, and you would be paying $34. But I mean, if you're buying more than 1 oil, it makes your shipping worth it at New Directions Aromatics. And like I said, they have so many oils to choose from. Like I got all of my exotic oils from here. And once you are ready to buy bulk and exotic oils if you want, I think they do have Evening Primrose Oil here too. Yeah, so 16 ounces is $21. An 8-pound bucket of it is $128, and at New Directions Aromatics it was for an 8-pound bucket. Alright, I don't know what weight these are for the gallons, but these are the prices right here. Yeah, so I mean, Blossom Bulk is my go-to, but for exotic oils, I always go to New Directions Aromatics just because I'm not getting as big of an order. But if I'm already placing an order through Blossom Bulk and I'm already paying shipping, then I probably would order like the 16 ounces of Evening Primrose Oil. But I don't think that Blossom has that big of a selection of the more exotic oils, so that's another reason why I go through New Directions Aromatics. Another store that you could get some of your oils from is Webstaurant Store. This is the cheapest place that I've found coconut oil. I haven't ordered it yet just because I don't need any right now, for one, and two, they don't really have that many oils to choose from. So I haven't really compared if it's the better deal to just order 1 oil from here with shipping. But just so you know, this is another option to buy your stuff from. Alright, so that is where I buy all of my oils for soap making and for all my skincare products. If you have any questions, or if you have any suppliers that you buy your stuff from that I missed, please let me know down in the comments. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be sure to answer all of your questions. Other than that, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit the notification bell if you want to get notified every single time we upload a video, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.
I probably shouldn't say this, I probably should erase it. I probably shouldn't say